ever needed to verify a function was called, without touching the real implementation? That is exactly what a spy is for. A spy is a test double that wraps an existing function. Unlike a mock or stub, it does not replace the function. The real implementation still executes. The spy sits in between, watching. It records how many times the function was called, what arguments were passed to it, and what value it returned. Spies give you full observability into a function's behavior without changing that behavior at all. Now let us compare a spy to its cousins. A stub replaces the function and returns a hard-coded value. The original code never runs. A mock does the same, but also verifies expectations you define up front. A spy is unique. It calls the real function and simply records the interaction for you to inspect afterward. Here is a practical example. Imagine you want to test that registering a user sends a welcome email. You spy on the send email method. The real email still goes out. But now after registration, you can assert the method was called exactly once with the correct address. You verify the interaction without altering any code. To sum up, a spy wraps a real function to record calls without replacing it. Use it when you need to observe without interfering. Follow for more testing tips. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.